going on, YouTubers? It's your favorite haulers and ballers. And today's video is going to be about being organized. Why it's so important to be organized, especially when you're scheduling jobs in, you got your tools in your truck, and also when you do your taxes.
Yeah, we did receive a few comments of people wanting to know how we stay organized, so this is for you.
Now let's get this money. Now let's talk about how I keep my truck organized. What I got in the truck is I got my card reader right here, easy to reach. All the time I got it there. I got my safety glasses right here where I can get to them. I keep all my gloves up here and over there on that side. And behind my seat, I keep a tarp because you never know when you'll need a tarp. And also I keep some tape over here. Normally it's duct tape, right now it's electrical tape. So whenever I need to tape up some dresser doors or glass doors, I got it. And now let's check out the back. Now let's see how I stay organized. Let's see what's behind door number 1. I got all my power tools. I got my drill, my sawzall, my skill saw, my chainsaw, all right here up top. I got my extra batteries. I got my trash bags right here, and I got an extension cord right there, easy to get to. And down below, I got my dolly and my 4-wheel dolly. I keep those lower so they're easier to pull out because they're a little bit heavier. Now let's see what's around the other side, guys. I got 2 trash cans. I always keep in the vehicle, the truck. I got my snow shovel. I got a pry bar and all my other tools. It might be some pliers, some screwdrivers, some wrenches, all organized. I make it easy where I can get to it fast, and it just saves time. So you want to stay organized. And over here, I got the rakes, which you guys can see, and also I got the brooms, a push broom and a normal broom on the other side of the truck. So you want to make life easy so you get the tools so you ain't digging for it. Always put it back wherever you got it from. It just makes life easier. So here's the first job of the day, and this lady found us on a Google search, and all I gotta say is this is some easy money. Now, just like that, the first job of the day is complete. How was that?
It's fine. It's good.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
good. It's a good morning workout. What would you say that is?
I would say that's about between a half and a quarter.
I agree.
Now, just like that, the first job is complete. It took about 10 minutes, and I love jobs that you can pull up to and load up. And this job was actually in Sonoma, about 35 minutes away from our house. And something you definitely don't want to do is zigzag around all day and waste gas and time. So make sure when you line jobs up, they're all in the same area that day.
Yeah, that's super smart because you don't want to waste your time and gas in scheduling jobs that are like super far away. So if you know you're going to be in an area that's a little far out, try to get some other jobs in that area.
Oh yeah, I used to before zigzag around all over the county, and I wasted hella gas, hella time. So this next job is in Sonoma too, and it's about 5 minutes away, so
that's awesome.
It's gonna be an easy day, so we're heading to the next one. So hold on real quick. The JoJo wants to break something down for you guys so you'll save more money.
So one of the very most important things that you need to keep organized is your receipts. Your receipts are so important because, you know, once you become self-employed, taxes become your responsibility, and the more receipts that you keep, the less taxes you are going to pay at the end of the year. So, you know, everybody has their own way of keeping receipts organized. Some people love QuickBooks and that works for them, but I really like to see receipts and, you know, visually see them and feel them and put them where they go and have a paper trail. I like that. So we have envelopes for our receipts, and this is healthcare. You become responsible for your own health care when you are self-employed. So your health care that you're paying for is a tax write-off. So you should definitely keep track of what you pay for your health insurance. And food. Believe it or not, when you are rolling around in the dump truck and you stop for breakfast, lunch, coffee, keep those receipts because those are write-offs. Another thing, one of your biggest write-offs is gas. Keep your gas receipts every time you fill up your truck, your dump truck, whatever you're using to get your job done. Fill it up, keep the receipt, put it in your envelope. Tools, anytime you go to get tools, shovels, dollies, the trash cans, gloves, all the gloves that you use doing junk removal goes in the envelope. Money you spend on advertising, this is such a good one because you get 100% of whatever you spend on advertising. So if you wrapped your car, your truck, if you got business cards, flyers, signs, you're wearing shirts, has your name, your logo on it, there you go. It goes in there. This is miscellaneous. This is things where you're like, well, what do I do with this? You put it in here, you let your bookkeeper figure out where that goes. Truck maintenance. So you go in, get your, oil changed, a tire fixed, anything that you have done on your truck. Hey, you even want to go get your dump truck detailed so you are looking sharp when you show up for customers. Right there, put it in here. And a client party. So you know what, if you go to Costco and you have a huge bill, you can stick it in here and say that you had a really big party for your clients. And it works. It works. So very important to stay organized. And this is one way we do it. Leave a comment, let us know, are you doing this? Or do you do it a different way? How do you do it? Because there's definitely more than one way to skin a cat, and maybe you do it a different way, but this works for us. I like it because, every 6 months, we hand this into our bookkeeper. I prefer to not do it myself, set for hours and add this stuff up. I take it to the bookkeeper, and she does not charge much money. And not only that, it's a complete write-off. And we give it to her about every 6 months and she takes care of it for us. And she actually sends, the results of these to our CPA. And, they work with each other and they work together to help us. And we owe the least amount possible at the end of the year.
Now we just took a pit stop real quick and let me show you something I seen at Walmart this little girl had. Check this out. It's a puppy in a backpack, JoJo. We need one of these for hauling. What do you think?
Yeah, it was adorable. I don't know, what are they gonna come up with next? So we are at the next job of the day and these people found us on Facebook.
So we have the next job of the day and it's all this stuff in the garage and we got a full load plus some. I love junk removal. Welcome back to the Matt and JoJo side hustle show where we find stuff and resell it. And JoJo, what do we have today here?
Oh, so we have this, and it's an antique cradle, and there's definitely a market for antique cradles.
So we got all kind of antiques over here, which we'll make some extra cash on. And yeah. And thanks for watching the Matt and JoJo side hustle. If you want to live that good life, you gotta live that trash life. And if you want to get your money right and have a bad wife, you better subscribe tonight. That's my hit single right there, baby.
I love that.
What do you think?
I think we're going on the road.
Road trip, baby.
Road trip.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna tour in our dump truck.
Yeah. Now, just like that, the second job is almost complete. We grabbed all the trash and damn, it's getting hot out here, JoJo.
Yep, and we're gonna come back and grab the rest of the stuff because those are all sellable items.
And we got an antique lady that buys them, so it's a win-win situation for us. So JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one?
Oh, let's see. I'm gonna say 62.
62, is that your final answer?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say $83, and let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Now, I call this guy the broom guy. Every time I see him, he's dragging a broom. So look who won. It was 1,200 pounds. I do believe I said $83 and it's $82. I won.
So, being organized. Let's talk a little bit about organization. So one of the first things you want to do is definitely make sure you're keeping your dump receipts. Every time you go to the dump, they're going to give you this and you keep it. So what's really simple for us is Matthew hands it to me and I will stick it in there. And you have to keep these. If you are not keeping your dump receipts, you are doing it wrong, because this will come off of your gross income and you won't have to pay taxes on what you pay for your dump receipts. It's a tax write-off. So make sure you are keeping these. So have a certain place for them. We just keep them right here. Another thing you want to make sure you have in your truck at all times are your business cards. Make them easily accessible. And we have ours right here because people ask us so often for a business card, and you don't want to be like, oh, I think I have them, and be digging everywhere for them. Make sure you have them. Have them in your pocket, have them in your wallet, definitely have them in your dump truck.
And that's the tip of the day from the JoJo Lena. Now let's head back to the job. You ready? Let's get it. So the first thing we did was put all the glass in there. So it's safety first, so nothing would bust on us. Now we're putting the big pieces in first, and then we'll get the dressers in there and everything else. You ready, JoJo, or what?
Yep.
Let's do it. Now, just like that, job is complete. And JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
Prediction of the dump fee is about $20 because we have that water thing in there that has Freon in it, and then the rest is like
money in our hand.
For that, for sure.
So we're heading to the antique lady right now, and yeah, it's a good day.
It's a great day. And another way that you can stay organized, what we discovered is a really cool app called Workies. It helps you stay organized with your jobs and scheduling jobs and putting people on the calendar. One of my favorite features about it is that it actually will, keep a list of all your past clients, names and addresses, and you can send thank you cards once a year, and it reminds them that maybe they need your service again. Another great feature about Workies is you can tap on the address and it automatically will map quest you there. So you are no longer, pulling over while you're driving and typing in an address to search where your next job is. So that is probably my favorite feature because that helps keep Matthew safe when he's driving.
And we love Workies. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to promote it. So if you ain't got it yet, there's a link down below you can go to and get it. And you'll be super organized. So now we're heading to the antique lady. And let's go get this money, JoJo. You ready or what?
I'm always ready to get money.
Let's do it. So check out JoJo's find of the day.
I'm going to clean it up a little bit, but I love it. It's going to go in the upstairs walk-in closet. And look at the drawers. It has drawers for like jewelry or any little special keepsakes. I really like it. I know the perfect spot in the closet where this will go.
Now, JoJo, who's the cover winner of the week?
Southern Idaho Removal.
And check them out on top of their truck right there. That's a power couple out there getting money.
That's a great picture.
Oh, that's an awesome picture. So we are done for the day. We worked 4 hours, and the JoJo wants to give some shout outs to some of you members out there that joined the membership.
Yeah, we just wanted to welcome some of our new members, and we have Jose Rodriguez, Island Strong Holly, we have Trey, and we have Michael Howard.
We appreciate the support, guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you smash that like button and check out our other videos. And we love all you guys.